welcome back. I'm Vanita.
I'm Suresh.
He's my dad.
She's my daughter.
So last week we made chana masala, and this week we are going to be making dal.
Okay, I'm gonna tell you about this dal.
All right, tell me.
In India, it's called Makhani dal. Makhani means butter. So Makhani dal means we temper the dal with butter in the end. So that gives the dal a real flavor. So in English, we will call it butter lentils.
Lentils. So if I was to go to the store and I would look for lentils.
Lentils, yeah. These are the dark brown lentils, and we have soaked them along with the kidney beans, which gives us a more protein and a taste. Yeah, we need to soak it for at least 4 or 5 hours before we cook them in pressure cooker. We will put it in the pressure cooker along with a little bit of water, so they are completely soaked in water.
How much water do you recommend?
It should be at least half an inch above the lentils. So now we are going to pressure cooker the lentils.
Is that good?
That's it.
So how high do I put it on?
We're just gonna pressure cooker at medium high until we have 4 or 5 whistles.
In the meantime, while we're waiting for that,
Okay.
can you please explain the spices you have brought?
Basically, we have these 4 spices. We have the whole cumin seeds that we use for tempering along with the butter. And then we have ground coriander powder. We have a ground cumin powder. And then we have a little bit of red chili, finely chopped ginger and garlic. We have a little bit of onion. Could be any onion, red onion, white onion, yellow onion. And then a little bit of green chili.
Okay, hold on a second, Dad. You brought green chili, but you know that I don't eat spices, so
Okay.
this could be optional, right?
Yeah, the green chili is actually optional, but this kind of chilies does not make the dal hot. It just gives you a little flavor. We also have to have some salt and pepper.
All right, sounds good.
Okay, so let's make dal.
Dad, you forgot to talk about the tomato. We're filming right now.
Oh, we are?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, we need some chopped tomato before we start cooking the dal. So I'm chopping the tomatoes right now. Now let's start making the dal. The first thing we take a little bit of oil.
What kind of oil is that?
It's just any cooking oil. Now we take some cumin seeds. Take the cumin seeds and we put a little bit of cumin seeds in there.
How much exactly do you put?
Oh, about half a teaspoon. We cook the cumin seed until the smell goes away. And then we pour the chopped onions in there. And we let the onion cook. Then after a few minutes maybe, we have a chopped ginger and garlic. Let it cook for a few minutes. So all cooked. Now we put some tomatoes in there. Let the tomato cook for maybe a couple of minutes. I think now it's time we add the dal. Since everything is cooked, the tomatoes are soft, the onion is soft, everything is ready. Now we take the pressure cooker dal, which is ready to go. Okay, once you put the dal in there, already cooked in the pressure cooker, now we let it cook for a few minutes. Now is the time to add our spices. So we're going to put the ground coriander powder. Then we're going to put some ground cumin powder. Then I use a pinch of red chilies. We have some green chilies. Then we're going to put some salt and pepper. Pinch of black pepper, which is quite optional. We don't have to if you don't want to, but basically let the dal cook for 5 to 10 minutes and your dal is ready. The last thing you're going to do is we're going to temper this dal with some jeera and butter.
What does temper mean?
Temper means tadka.
What does turka mean?
Now we're gonna do the tempering. So we use either butter or ghee. If you have ghee in the house, use that. If you don't have ghee, use the butter. I'm gonna take 1 teaspoonful of butter. Put it in my little pan here. While it's melting, I'm gonna add some whole cumin seeds in there. After a few minutes, when you see the cumin seeds are crackling, so now I pour it on top of the dal. So that gives us the real flavor of butter lentils. It tastes yummy. Now we're going to pour the dal in the server here. And the last step, I'm going to show you how to garnish it. Take some fresh cilantro and just put it on top of it. And your butter lentils are ready to eat. Now, you can eat this dal with rice or with chapati or with bread.
Can you just eat it straight?
You can eat it straight too, yes.
All right, well, thank you, Dad, for showing me how to make dal. It's another protein-filled dish that I can now add to my diet. All right, well, what are we making next week?
We're going to make bangan ka bharta.
Wow.
That means mashed eggplant.
Oh, all right, thanks. Well, thanks for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed, and good luck making your dal.
Thank you. Bye.